It is super easy to do a French twist with a French pin. These are so cool. These French pins that with the special shape are called the Swerve U-pin made by Lilla Rose. So these are a type of French pin that give a little bit of extra grip with that unique shape, and they come in plain or decorative with different jewels and beads to match whatever you're wearing. So I'm going to show you how easy they are to do today. All right, so all you do is gather all your hair in a ponytail and then just twist up and then tuck the ends in. Make sure all the ends are in. You take your U-pin, your French pin, and you're going to be the opposite way of your scalp. See how it's bent the opposite way of my head? And then you put the prongs in the side of the twist. See that? Then you turn, go along the scalp, and press in. And that holds super well. That will hold all day, and see how pretty that is and how elegant. I hope you can see that because I can't see it because it's the back of my head. But it was so easy, so quick and easy. I love this. These French pins are awesome. So great for a French twist, so great for an easy updo, just sticking your hair up for easy everyday. So it can be an elegant occasion or just an everyday occasion. So let me show you how to do it. I'll do it again with this really pretty decorative one, and you can see how pretty that looks. All right, to take it out, right, all you do is just pull it out, and that's it. No pulling. It doesn't pull or damage your hair, which is so awesome, right? So again, all you have to do is gather your hair in a low ponytail, twist up, tuck in the ends, make sure all the strays are in there. Have your prongs, stick in the pin, turn, go along the scalp. All right, can you see that? Look how pretty that is with the beading. I love those blue and green colors of this one. It is so pretty. Look how nice. And again, it doesn't come out when you shake your head. It stays, it stays. It's so pretty. Every day or a special occasion, these U-pins from Lilla Rose are awesome. They're just the perfect French pin for your French twist. You can get your own in the description below.